Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel. And today I am very excited to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. This new jet fighter is my newest designs and I like it a lot. And now I'm going to share it with you guys. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper, and the first step is to fold it in half this way. Adjust the paper, make sure that all edges are lined up. And now you can press the paper down to create the center crease. Let's check this again. The paper looks good, all edges are lined up. So now we're going to unfold the paper, flatten it down, start from the upper edge, and fold both sides to the center crease. Let's start with this side first. Do not fold straight to the center crease, leave it a small gap. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now crease the other side as well. And then start from the edge, fold to the center crease again. Adjust the paper. Leave a small gap. And press down the paper, especially for this side now. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Make sure that both sides are even. This is very important. And press down the paper again. Adjust it if you have to. And press it down. Press it down. Then I will start from this side. First to the center crease. And press the paper down to create a new crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And press the paper down to create a new crease. Unfold the paper. Start from the edge, fold it to the new crease. And press the paper down. And fold it one more time toward the center crease. Press the paper down. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from the edge, fold it to the new crease, and fold it one more time. Now let's start from this edge again, first to the center crease. Adjust the paper first before you fold. Now press the paper down. Same step for the other side. Start from the edge, fold to the center crease. Now we have so many layers. You need to adjust the paper when you fold. Curve the paper if you need to. If it's not even, fix it. Just fix the paper if you need to. Fix one side and the other side. If the layers are messed up, fix it. Adjust it. Hold the paper up. Now we finished one of the most difficult steps. Now we have two intersection points. Let's start with the upper intersection point. I will show you guys again. We have this point and the other point. Use this below point as a reference to fold the paper in half. It's right here. Hold it and fold it in half. Now let's flip the paper over and fold the paper in half this way. This is a little bit difficult because we have so many layers. Adjust it. Now press down the paper. If it's pop up, make sure that the center crease are aligned. It's look good now. Press this part of the paper. You can adjust it and press it down. Now let's use this intersection point as a reference to fold the pointy part of the paper up to create the head of the plane. So you have this part right here, press it down, and you can flip the paper over, adjust it. Especially on the edge now, it is very difficult to fix it because the layers are thick. So fix it right now before you finish the plane. On the following step, let's fold the paper in half. Press the paper down. Make sure that both sides are even. Adjust it, press it down, flatten it. And now let's start from this edge for to the other side. Fix this while you folding it. Press the paper down. One side first and the other side. Flip the paper over. Start from the upper edge again, flip to the other edge to create the wing. So adjust it and press this down. The head now is very difficult to fold. This is very difficult to fold the head now, so adjust it if you have to. And fix the wings as well. Now let's open this layer to create the stabilizers. Matches to the edge. Make sure that the stabilizers stay parallel with the body of the blade. Alright. And then you can fold up. One side first and then the other side. And here you go, guys. You finish the simplified version of the blade. Fold the end of the wings out to create the elevators so that you can throw the blade. Now you are done with the simplified version of the paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed making this blade. But if you want to make the blade look even cooler, fly further, nicer, finish, we need to do one more step. So let's start from this edge for 2 degrees so that you can create the head of the blade. Once you finish this side, repeat the same for the other side. And fold the paper in half. Start from the edge, fold the wings down, fix the head, and just fix the wings. Stabilizers, fold the stabilizers up again. Make sure that the stabilizers are parallel with the body of the plane, so the plane will fly straight. The elevators are very important to have the plane fly as well. And here you go, guys. This is the final version of this paper airplane. And don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe.